All right, let's continue the top-down analysis, and that is silver. Last week we took a buy on silver from that 4-hour for the block, and you see our taking profit target is already reached. So if you're aware about it, you are in profit until now. So that is it. Silver, very, very clear. We are in strong bullish move, so we can reanalyze it. For next entry, here you have that liquidity sweep, and here you have market shifting. After that shifting, also here above, you can see there is external range liquidity. So price may take out that liquidity and then can get retracement to that imbalance, and then you can pick a buy from that imbalance. You can pick a buy from that imbalance next week. Okay, that is it on silver. Very, very clear. You can see Audi USD. Audi USD is very, very clear. It's very, very clear. You can see price related directly from that 4-hour breaker block. After reaction, you can see price created a market shift. You can see highs and low, and then you get the shift on 4-hour time frame. After that shifting, you can see we are supposed to find a buy because that was extension, that is pullback, and then expect another extension from that breaker block. Okay, so we're supposed to find a buy. We're supposed to find a buy, and here on 4-hour time frame we have that other block. So next entry on Audi USD, you're supposed to wait retracement that area, and then you can pick a buy from that area, target this previous high. That is it on Audi USD. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. Let's see gold. Gold, last week we took a buy from that 2-hour order block. Last week we took a buy from that 2-hour order block. 2-hour order block, and our target, it was where? Our target, it was from that area. It was from that 2-hour order block to that external range liquidity. It is 50.44 price level. So you can see it is very, very good. Very, very good. So expect the continuation of uptrend for next week, because here on 4-hour we found a shifty, that is pre-market shifty after liquidity sweep on left side that happened here. Okay, here you have that external range liquidity which is not ready, swept. Okay, so shift your time frame to 1-hour time frame. On 1-hour time frame we have some details here. On 1-hour time frame we have that order block, so expecting next week price will raise up to sweep that external range liquidity, and then can get a pullback to that 1-hour B, and then you can pick a buy from that 1-hour B. So expecting to buy from that 1-hour B for next week, and then when you buy, you can hold until price it reach where. Let us put our taking profit number 1 on that point. Taking profit number 1, it will be on that point 52.40. It will be our taking profit number 1. It is 52.40 on gold. That is very, very clear. So we can see GBP JPY. GBP JPY also, it is very clear on weekly time frame. Here on weekly time frame, here you can see on weekly time frame we have manipulation candle, which means it created a good CRT mode. So price next week, it's supposed to raise up to that area to distribute a price. Shift your time frame to daily time frame. On daily time frame, you can see price, it dropped it to sweep that previous low liquidity. So that is liquidity sweep. After liquidity sweep, expect the bullish continuation to that previous high. That is not value market shift, because on left side here there is no any breaking of structure. There is no any break of structure. So this is just a liquidity sweep, and it is not market shift. It is just a liquidity sweep. So we are supposed to find buys. We are supposed to find buys from extreme discount zone of weekly range. Shift your time frame to 30 minutes. On 30 minutes, we have market structure like this. We have market structure like this. That is a market structure on 30 minutes time frame. On extreme discount zone, we have that unmitigated 30 minutes order block. So next week, expect the GBP, JPY will drop until this unmitigated 30-minute order block, and then we can buy from that unmitigated 30-minute order block and we will hold it. Okay, so that is extension. That first pullback is endorsement, and then you get a block of structure here, means continuation. Expected price will drop to take out that inducement and it will react directly on that 30-minute order block, and then we can pick a buy. So when you buy from that area, you're supposed to hold it until it take out that CRT high. So that is very clear. Set up on DJ for next week. It is very, very easy. Very, very easy set up on GBP JPY. Very, very easy. On 4-hour time frame, it is visible very, very well. Impulsive first retracement, which is endorsement, another uptrend, expected price will drop to sweep that endorsement, and then you can pick a buy and will hold until it reaches that previous high. That is very, very simple. Euro USD. Euro USD, last week we took a buy from that order block, and you see previously there was impulsive, so that is pullback, created endorsement, sweep of endorsement, mitigation of 4-hour order block, we hold the buy. Very simple. GU, it is the same with EU. GBPUSD price created impulsive, first pullback endorsement, sweep of endorsement, reacted on that 4-hour order block, we hold the buy. And GBPUSD reacted on daily order block. You can see on daily time frame there is that order block. So that is very strong zone to find a buy on GBP USD. GBP USD. So that is it for next week. Make sure you like, subscribe to our channel for more entries, scalping, intraday, and swing. You can join our VIP group. You can join our group to scale up your capital. Okay, see you on next week.